Okay, so today we're going to be making vegan cheddar. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of annatto seeds, a quarter cup of coconut oil. Cook that for about 5 minutes to release the color. Now take a quarter cup of cashews, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of miso paste into a blender. Add in a quarter cup of nooch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a cup of non-dairy yogurt. Look at that color. We're just going to strain out the seeds, add the coconut oil in there, and blend on high. Make sure to scrape down the sides and that everything is nice and smooth. Now add in 2 tablespoons of potato starch and blend again. Once that's all blended up, we'll take 3/4 cups of non-dairy milk, a half a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of agar powder. Cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat until nice and thick. Oh yeah! Now this stuff does set pretty quickly, so you want to transfer that immediately back into the blender. And now we're going to take this mixture into the small saucepan and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is just going to cook off the potato starch. Once that's cooked off, it's going to be smooth, creamy, and dreamy. And again, you'll want to work pretty quickly here. Get your molds ready. You can use glass molds, plastic molds, square, rectangle, whatever you like. But give it a nice little tap, tap, tap. And we're just going to transfer this to the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Once that's all set, you can take a small plate, flip it over, give it a nice little pop, pop, pop. And there you have a beautiful cheddar cheese. It's sliceable, it's shreddable, it's even meltable. Now you can have this on a burger, maybe throw it in a mac and cheese. You could have it on a sandwich, or you can just eat it straight up. But there you have it, a sharp cheddar. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.